I told you in this video that Avianca is one of the best airlines to book cheap flights to Europe, especially because they're low taxes and fees ranging from $20 to $40 per flight one way. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to book this flight, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks to save you some time and some headache. So finding award space on Avianca is pretty simple. However, beginner tip number one is we're not actually going to start on Avianca.com. You're going to need to go to Lifemiles.com. And so this is what the website looks like, and you will need to create an account and log in order to access this. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then from the home page, you're going to want to click Travel. This is going to take you to the search page, and here is a drop-down menu. It's defaulted to Smart Search. Now previously it was emphasized that you should really switch to Star Alliance to accurately get Star Alliance results. However, Avianca has slowly, progressively improved their search function, and I've had pretty good results with the Smart Search, so choose as you wish. And it is also defaulted to round trip. I always like to look for one-way flights. It's just cleaner that way. And now we're going to search for whatever route we're interested in. I'm going to take a look at a flight to Germany over from Los Angeles. And then you just click this blue arrow whenever you're ready to search. Now you don't need to put in the date on that previous page because it'll bring you this calendar. And you see here, it'll tell you that there are fares starting from 63,000 miles. And now this is nice. However, this is where the cracks begin to show here because this actually isn't true. But we'll come back to that. And so as we scroll down the calendar here, which is a nice function, it gives us these blue tabs whenever this award availability is there. However, we'll also come back to that. So let's click on this and it'll show up the availability that it finds. And here you can see the lowest price is actually 30,000 miles, not the 63,000 miles that showed earlier. And so the cool thing here is that it has this drop down menu. If there is also business class availability, sometimes it will pick that up for you as well. And then from here, you just want to identify whichever flight you're most interested in. And now sometimes it is recommended that you check with a partner Star Alliance airlines such as United or Air Canada just to double check that this award space exists, because it should also be available on one of those partners. And this is to combat the issue of phantom availability, and that just means sometimes it'll show you award space for flights that don't actually exist, and you don't actually find out about it until you transfer your points and try to book that flight. It's not super common, but it does happen. But after that step, then you go ahead, transfer your points, come back to Avianca Lifemiles, and book the flight from there. Now let me show you some hiccups that you might face whenever you do begin to search on Avianca Lifemiles. For one, if you scroll too fast on the calendar, it'll give you this error just occurred message. And from here, you just got to refresh the page and then it'll take you back to where you were. And then also, if you're searching from smaller airports or lesser known routes, it won't show that here's the lowest fare, even if it's right or wrong. And then if you go through the calendar, it doesn't highlight any award space. However, if you click on a random date, there will actually be award flights available, such as these here for just 30,000 miles. So why does this occur? I don't know. And also something that you can't really appreciate because I'm editing it out for you is that this website's really not that fast. There's a few seconds of loading every time you want to click on something. So if you're just using this method, you're going to end up frustrated, hunting and pecking depending on what routes you're looking for. And so the question is there a better way? And the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you because my name's Michael and I'm here to help you with all of your travel needs. So consider liking this video if it's been helpful so far, and make sure to subscribe for more like this. And so as a primer, Avianca is part of the Star Alliance, and that means you're able to book a lot of these airlines within this program and get these great deals. And so the next way of searching for award flight availability on Avianca that's recommended is with United Airlines to find Saver award space. So to do this, you just go to united.com, type in the route that you're interested, select book with miles and flexible dates, and then hit find flights. It'll take you to this nice award calendar, and you'll just search through the lower price dates here, and you figure out what the price is for Saver award space. And as you can see by the label Saver Award, the price ranges between 43.9 and 30,000 points. And so theoretically, this space should be available on other Star Alliance partners, which includes Avianca. However, with Avianca pulled up side by side, we can see that there is only 3 award flights on Avianca, whereas there is a lot more Saver award space. So although United's award calendar is a little bit easier to navigate, the results it yields is not that accurate either. So I asked the question again, is there a better way? And to that I say points yeah. And so this is pointsyeah.com. I like this tool because you're able to search across multiple programs, including Avianca. And to use it, you just type in where you want to go, select the date range. You're able to search 4 days at a time, but because I have a premium subscription, I can search 8 days at a time. I've got an affiliate link in the description if you're interested, but you don't need it to use the tool. And it will quickly pull up our results here. And like I said, it shows all of the different award programs, so it shows some lower priced ones. But if you're looking specifically for Avianca for that low tax price, go to airline programs and filter for Avianca. It'll show these 4 dates here, and it'll show you that these are available on Lifemiles. And I went ahead and cross-matched this with lifemiles.com, and it is indeed real availability, ready for you to book. You just click on these arrows and click that you're ready to book down here to get to the website and search for it there. And now I do talk about this Daydream Explorer in this video linked up above, but it will only show you some of the larger routes using Avianca. It won't show you all the detailed routes, so if you're looking from a smaller airport or just in general day by day, it's best to do the individual search like we've just done. And if you're looking to scan for weeks at a time, just click on this next 8 days or next 4 days to get to the next 4-day period. So to book flights on Avianca, you'll want to use one of those 3 methods. And remember, you're going to be booking a flight on a Star Alliance member, which include United, Lufthansa, Swiss Airlines, and more. But if you're looking for other cheap ways to fly to Europe or for a different price, be sure to continue watching this playlist. I'll see you there.